Speedbird 2276 Heavy, Las Vegas Tower.
Speedbird 2276 Heavy, good afternoon. We're ready for departure, Alpha 8.
Speedbird 2276 Heavy, wind 360 at 5, runway 7 left at Alpha 8, cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, 07 left, Speedbird 2276 Heavy.
South 637 left at Whiskey, ground point 1, good day.
That was 4778 Las Vegas Tower, runway 7 left at Alpha 8, line up and wait for wake turbulence.
Runway 7 left,
Tower, spare wing 356, inbound 7 right.
Spare 356 Las Vegas Tower, flying a 717 mile final, wind 020 at 6, runway 7 right, clear to land.
Go left, 7 right, spare wing 356.
Skywest 4778, hold position.
Speedbird 2276 Heavy, stopping.
Climate 7000.
Okay, understand. Delta 2235 is going around. Say the altitude and heading.
Climb maintain 7000, Delta 2335, fly runway heading.
Runway heading up to 7000, Delta 2235.
Speedbird, Mayday, Speedbird 2276, request bar services.
Speedbird 2276 Heavy, fire services are on the way.
1033 Las Vegas Tower, roger, continue.
Delta 2235, connect departure 125.9er.
25-9er, Delta 2235.
Runway 19er left, clear to land.
Land 19 left, Southwest 1033.
Wind 020 at 4.
Tower, Speedbird 2276 Heavy.
Speedbird 2276 Heavy, go ahead.
Speedbird 2276 Heavy, we are evacuating on the runway. We have a fire, I repeat, we are evacuating.
Speedbird 2276 Heavy, roger. Ken, will we proceed on to runway 7 left? Spirit 356, go around, fly runway heading, climb, maintain 7000.
Okay, runway heading 7000, spare wing 356.
Plus 1033, just verify runway 19er left, clear to land.
19 left, clear to land, Southwest 1033.
Spirit 356, connect departure 125.9er.
Spare wing 356, good.